Hi, if you need to change language on your Google Pixel Watch 3, then press this crown to open list of your apps and here search for settings. After that, scroll all the way down and select the last tab system. Here scroll down again and find language. As you can see, the watch language is the same as your phone's. So if you want to change it, go to your phone's language settings. Let's tap this white button open on phone. And now the setting opens on phone immediately. So you can go in languages, tap to add language, select new one by tapping it, and on the bottom of the page, choose to change your system language to this new one by tapping it like this. And then give your watch a few moments and language will be changed on them as well. So you can see that everything is translated to Czech language now. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.